Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can export your boards on Trello, for example, to share these with your friends and contacts or to save them as an external offline file or data on your device. So it is actually super simple, guys. Let us guide you through this really quickly. Head over to Trello.com, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left corner. And after that, pick a board from that list of boards here on the left hand side. So let me go with this basic board here. Now if you'd like to export it, guys, simply click on these three dots in the top right corner, and from that panel or menu here on the right hand side, simply select print, export and share here at the bottom. After that you will see that option here, print, export and share, with an associated shareable link below. You may use, for example, to invite externals to, for example, view that board or to access or to edit it if you give them the permission, for example, and set a global visibility status of the board. What you may do also, guys, is, for example, print the given board if your computer or laptop is connected to a printer, and you may also export it as a CSV file. However, doing that is something only Trello users with a paid subscription plan can do, as you can see, but you can alternately export it as a JSON file, whatever that is, and also create a QR code for that and share, for example, that QR code with your friends and contacts so that they may access the board through a QR code. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.